Hey everybody here on YouTube. This is Timothy Holt, and I'm frustrated at the moment, mainly with my son's high school. Um, they have not had adequate phone service for the last 10 days. I received an email dated here, November 20th, right here. And it says, the phone service at the junior-senior high school is experiencing technical difficulties and will not be operational until we return from Thanksgiving break. If you need to contact the school, you can please email, and then it gives the office stuff, okay? That's the entire email, all right? Now, the phone service at the high school has been spotty at best since classes started this past fall. The elementary school works just fine. The high school doesn't work at all. And so I received a voicemail. Um, let me see if I can pull it up here for you guys because it's an interesting voicemail. Here it is.
He had fastened a pen and having thumbtacks with it. His teacher rolled him up because he was chasing students around in his ed class. He didn't realize he had that.
Okay, that is the voicemail I received at 8:05 this morning. When I went into the school to point this out to the office, I have nothing against the office lady. She's a nice lady, and obviously she's not the tech in charge of the phone service. But yeah, you can try to piece out what's going on there. I'm not an IT guy, but she did explain that the phone service system in the high school is out of date. Clearly, obviously, it hasn't been in use. The alternative phone system that they're using is a single line, and it goes to the fax machine. So I'm not sure how good that is, because if somebody else is on the line or a fax is coming in, you're going to hear that wonderful sound of a fax machine or a busy signal. So yeah, there's that. Yeah. So anyone who wants to say that public education is the cream of the crop, I want to point out that there is over 900 students at this high school, and they haven't had a phone system functioning for the past 10 days. Okay? Past 10 days. Including today. So counting today, 10 days. No phone service for 10 days straight that is reliable. They were able to call my ex-wife concerning our son and actually talk to her on the phone, but
The second time he called it,
that is what I get.
I told him that I would look at cameras. Unfortunately, this morning, again, he has made another one, or has another one in his possession.
Now, you can try to piece out that if you want. I'm not saying my son's guilty or innocent or not guilty in regards to the allegations and why I got this phone call. But as a parent, I don't know. Do you find it a little unacceptable for a building that has over 1,000 people in it not to have a single phone that works on a reliable basis? It's a phone. I mean, this technology has been around for over 100 years. It's not complicated. I mean, Verizon, Armstrong, AT&T, T-Mobile. I mean, seriously, come on. Pick a company. 10 flippin' days. 10 days, no phone service. So you can hear the frustration. This is like a bad joke on SNL or something. Seriously, 10 days. Public education at its finest. By the way, I pay over $1,000 in school taxes a year in regards to my property taxes. That's not just property taxes. That is going to the school directly. They have a million budget and can't seem to get a phone to work for 10 days. I don't know. Go figure, right? I mean, but that's my rant.